Well, good morning, girls. Is it time to get up yet? What time is it? Is it time to vacuum? It's time to vacuum. No, it's not time to vacuum. Is it time to vacuum? Can you turn it on? Oop, vacuuming is going to take a long time today, I see. Oh, we're getting quite energetic with our bounce. Oh, flossing our teeth with the Roomba, are we? Goodness, that's quite the leap. Ellie, are you watching this? What is it, Maddie? Is it the sound? What gets you about Roomba? Poor Roomba. Roomba's just trying to do his job. Yeah, he's just trying to do his job. He's just trying to work. Come on, let him be a working Roomba. There you go. No. I get it. It's because Ellie's still sleeping. Is that it? You want Ella to be able to have a quiet nap without the Roomba going? Wow. You're such a thoughtful sister. Very good girl. Look at that, Ellie. Isn't that nice of her? That's very nice of her. Good girl. She's playing with the Roomba. Okay, what do you think, Jack? Are you coming to see the Roomba show too? What do you think? Ellie, are you ready to get up yet? Come on, Ellie. Breakfast awaits. All right, let's go visit Jack and let the Roomba do his work, okay? Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, all right. That's half the battle. We'll go visit with Jack. What do you think, Jack? What do you think? Oh, I think Jack might be in one of those moods today. I might have to tread lightly. Yeah. Okay, I'll follow you, Jack. That's a good thing. Off to the kitchen. Okay, so now it's quiet. Do you want to get out of bed or not? Is it too early still? Okay, maybe it's too early. Maybe it's breakfast in bed day. All right, we'll vacuum later. Come on, Maddie. Let's leave Ellie. Leave her be. Oh, geez, you did drive by and didn't bug the Roomba. Good girl. Okay, good girl, Ellie. Enjoy your nap.